here is the live result in front of you. Can you guys see the difference? Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about an amazing body scrub, or widely or popularly known as Ubtan. It is even better than those so-called skin brightening polishing scrub and whatever things you get in the market. It's absolutely homemade and natural, and it just removes all your tan, your rough skin, your dull skin, your pores and everything in one wash itself. I have been using this body scrubber Ubtan since 2 years, and my skin has become incredibly smooth and soft and glowing. And to the people whom I have recommended this, it has worked for them amazing as well. It is, simple to make, easy to make. You make a large batch and you can keep it in your fridge, and you can keep on using it every day, or maybe thrice a week, 4 times a week, and your skin problems will be gone.
Here I have taken 2 bowls of red lentil or masoor dal, 1 bowl of Bengal gram or chana dal, half a bowl of green moong, and 1 bowl of white rice. I have just shown you guys the ratio here. You guys can increase or decrease the amount of the pulses according to your own needs and requirement. Now take a clean bowl and start adding all the ingredients one by one, and make sure you wash it with tap water for 2 to 3 times continuously, so that all the powders can get washed away. And now don't forget to add 1 bowl of peanuts to it. It works as a great moisturizer for your skin. Now let it soak for 4 to 5 hours. So after the soaking is done, you guys can see it has increased in quantity, and you can simply break the pulses into 2, so your soaking is completely done. Now start adding all the ingredients into the grinder and make a smooth paste out of it. Make sure you add a little bit of water while grinding. The paste will be a little coarse and not very fine, because that would make it a great exfoliator
So I'll
for
be
your
adding
skin.
a teaspoon of even less than a teaspoon of kasturi turmeric in the Ubtan, and I'll give it a good mix. It is pretty smooth. Here I'm applying it on my left hand. I have used innumerable amount of body scrubs from reputed brands and whatnot, but nothing has given me an as good result as this. Sometimes I don't get time to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes on my body. I just simply take it inside my bathroom with me in a bowl and apply it on my whole body, scrub it, and just wash it off. Immediately my skin becomes so soft, and all the dead cells just gets removed in one wash, and it works amazing on the tan part as well. Homemade natural remedies, they don't burn a hole in our pocket. During this pandemic time, when we all are at home and we have a little or more time with us, I think we all should give all these things a try. These are the best things to go for, I personally don't prefer spending a lot of money on outside products, on market products, because they contain a lot of chemical and they just don't work. Especially if you are traveling, you can carry some organic natural powders, or if you're at home, you can simply make this and hafta ka banao. Just make it for 1 week and keep it in your fridge and just use it, and again make the second batch for another week. So that's how it goes. That's how I do it. So guys, the application is done, and I have kept this hand bare, as you guys can see. So I'll now keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll wash my hands, and here is the live result in front of you. Can you guys see the difference? I've just kept it for 15 minutes and scrubbed and washed it off. My skin feels incredibly smooth and very, very soft to touch. I just cannot explain you in words. Once you try it at home, you'll be absolutely surprised with the result. See, in one application, just look at now look at my both hands. And this is only with one application. Once you keep applying it every single day, or maybe at least 3 times a week, you yourself will be amazed to see the result. The texture, the overall texture of your skin has really improved. So guys, go ahead and give this a try. You will not get disappointed, that's my guarantee. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and there's a subscribe button, go and hit that too. I'll be on cloud 9 if you do that. And there's a bell button right next to the subscribe button. Go and hit that too, because you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, I love you all. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.